Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing a Southern Style Pickled Shrimp. While I'm waiting on a pot of water to come to boil on the stove, I'll go ahead and start off by making the marinade. In here I have 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and I'll be adding in 3 tablespoons of champagne vinegar, 1 thinly sliced garlic clove. In here I have a 1/2 teaspoon of white sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. I've also got a pinch of red pepper flakes and black peppercorns. These go in, and then I'll give this a stir. Once it looks like the sugar has dissolved, this can be set over to the side. Now that my water is boiling, I'll add in a good pinch of salt and drop in 1 pound of medium-sized shrimp. And these are going to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they turn pink and opaque. You can use really any size shrimp you want to here. Just the larger they are, the longer it's going to take for them to marinate. Once the shrimp are cooked, they get transferred immediately into a bowl of cold water to stop them from cooking any further. I'm now ready to move on to assembling the rest of the ingredients, and I'll start off by adding 1 bay leaf into the bottom of a mason jar, as well as 3 dill fronds and 2 slices of lemon. And then in here I have a 1/2 of a thinly sliced Vidalia onion. I'll be adding 1/2 of this amount into the jar. Next in goes the cooked shrimp. The marinade gets drizzled over the top of the shrimp now. Then it gets topped off with the remainder of the onions, another bay leaf, 3 more dill fronds, and finally the last slice of lemon. Go ahead and put the lid on, and then gently rotate the marinade around the shrimp. Alright, this is now going to go into the refrigerator, where it's going to marinate for about 4 hours, or preferably overnight. And then I'll come over and just rotate the jar every once in a while just to make sure the marinade is getting in there and soaking into all the shrimp. I've had the shrimp marinating for about 5 hours in the refrigerator, and I'm ready to go ahead and try them. I did come in and rotate it about every 30 to 45 minutes just to make sure the marinade was coating all of the shrimp. Now I'm ready to go ahead and try them out. These are excellent. Probably one of the best pickled shrimp recipes that I've ever tried. The shrimp are perfectly cooked. The lemon and the onion have added their juices down into the marinade and help permeate into the shrimp. They do have just a light, subtle pickling right now. I'm curious to see how much more it intensifies in the morning. But overall, these are something that I definitely like to have around the holidays. They add just a nice little refreshing bite in what typically ends up being a much heavier meal. Yeah, definitely something I'm going to be adding to my Thanksgiving table this year. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. Happy Walker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.